Ka jingelang jong State Security Commission yak balakhli dominti rong ba ka jalau konrad ki sangma ka balalong mentang si ka patrek unai lur arzar arpuai hasket riat silong habakren siglar thai ko bor hadien balawai ka jingelang noyalam kalyang persya Dr. Mukul sangma obadai ru khot jong kani komiti ulong ba sibun kimat ki beidei ba State Security bakan thup ikakai phot jong ka jinso biang shaka kam leno ula banjur halo ka jingdon kam na commission bakan ye kendu kha kha ban yata yi babun kimat hakani ka jingelang ka jingthung ya arngut kit khot balai lu shaka commission lai tai ru halot kani.
The last meeting that we held was in 2018, but the law that makes it binding for the government is that it has to be convened every 3 months. I have also placed on record my sincere request that henceforth the meeting should be convened at the desired interval as mandated by the law. Now, this is a forum which is very important. And if you look at the Principal Act, the State Police Act, which is particularly in relation to, I think, Section 44, revolving around the State Security Commission. Now, the overall purpose of this act is to, and this particular section, to have the State Security Commission is that the police organization is crucial, not just in maintenance of law and order and to instill a sense of security, but also is part and parcel of the administration of justice. You understand that whenever there are instances of crime, then the investigation, the charge sitting, and also to facilitate the overall administration of justice, the whole process of administration of justice revolves around the efficiency of this organization, not only efficiency and the fact that the organization has to be free from any influence. Therefore, including the posting of the officers, starting from the top officers, DGP, down till the additional superintendent of police, all this, how resources, human resources are utilized, how resources are utilized, how effectively they are being utilized, and whether the police organization requires some more support, whether the resources being provided by the government is enough or not, all those things are required to be looked at by this commission in a very holistic manner. And this committee also have 2 independent members. Unfortunately, the 2 independent members are yet to be appointed. They have retired. Today's meeting have decided that all the necessary measures to immediately complete the process of appointment of the independent members, 2 independent members, be completed at the earliest. And so I hope that the commission will have a full strength. Full members of the commission will be there once the whole process of appointment of the independent members are completed. And other than that, all other internal matters which revolves around law and order, which revolves around militancy, internal security, that part is discussed and that remains within the 4 walls of the